If you're a halter top girl, you are going to obsess over this set. I got this in a red and I love this so much that I had to go get it in a different color. I'm size 34D up here, girl. The lift that it's giving me, and it already has a built-in bra, so you don't have to worry about the bra. The halter top right here, it is not tight at all. It is so comfy and so stretchy, so it does not hurt my neck whatsoever. The pants are super stretchy. All of it is the same material as the top too, and it literally feels like pajamas. Literally like pajamas. There's cute little pockets, the drawstring is functional, and the pants are like super stretchy. I'm wearing a size small, I'm 135 pounds, 5 feet tall. If y'all want to get this set for summer, I'm gonna leave you the link right here.
Extra small hanggang small, code ng 7. Si Madam Jai, okay. Here's a si 5 Madam Jai. 168 pesos. Okay, Madam Jai. Next tayo, Madam. Next. Ano kaya ito? Ay, parang ano yan, oh, malaki siya. Kung meron kayong mga ano, Madam, boutique, ito maganda. Ay, sorry. Okay. Small, Madam. Hindi pala siya nababatak. Small sis. Ganda, oh. Code ng 9. Code 9. Size small, Ganda, 168 pesos lang. May hanger ka na, Madam. Okay, code ng 9. Okay, wait lang, Madam. Ay, magpakita ng lace eh. Next. Madam. Yun, large. Ito, Madam, medium to large carry. Seamless. Medium to semi-large lang pala. Code ng 5, code 5. Medium to semi-large, code ng 5. Okay, may hanger na siya nakasama, Madam. Nabubulol pa, no? Madam Maria. Okay, Madam Maria, yours na. SSD, 198. 198 pesos. Okay, next. Ito, Madam, pwede nyo ito i-partner sa mga pantalon. Ayan. Small to medium, Madam. Small to medium, code ng 8, code 8. Adjustable yung strap niya. Okay. 8 ang code, small hanggang medium, Madam. May hanger ka pa. 8 ang code. Madam Aiko. Here's ito, Madam Aiko. 198 lang. Okay, 198. Ito parang pang mall na siya. Parang pang mall ang quality, Okay, ito embroidered. Maganda to. Madam Aiko. Here's yan, Madam Aiko, si 8. 168 pesos. Okay, next tayo. Uy. Madam, pang small hanggang medium. Ang ganda, embroidered siya, Madam. Small to medium, code ng 4. 4 ang code 4. Ganda. Okay, code ng 4. Next tayo, Madam. Laki 4. Next. Next. Ito may lace din to sa baba. Medium to, Madam. Size medium, code ng 7. Pang medium, 7 ang code. Ganda niyan. Code ng 7. Next tayo, Madam. Ito lang naloko to kanina. Okay, next, mga seals. Adjustable strap. Extra small hanggang small lang siya. Extra small to small, code ng 9. 9 ang code, sis. Ang ganda niyan. Code ng 9, code 9. Next tayo, sis. Next. Yun, Wala, ang ganda nito, sis. Small. Size small, Madam. 168, code ng 7. Small, code ng 7, Madam. 168 pesos. Code ng 7. Pang small. 7 ni Madam. Ito sis. Okay, ang pretty. Small to medium. Small to medium. Ang ganda. Okay, pasmakin yung likod. Code ng 5. Small hanggang medium, code ng 5. Code 5. Okay. Wakwakable siya, sis. Code ng 5, 168 pesos. Okay, small to medium. Code ng 5, madam. 7 ni madam. Shh. Okay, si Madam 4 Max. Yours at the Madam 4 Max SSD. 168 pesos. 168. Ay! Nalaglag siya. Okay, next. Ay, ang ganda nito. Madam small to semi-med. Small hanggang semi-med. 168 code ng 9. 9 ang code. Okay, nakatahi siya, madam, ha. 9 ang code is small to semi-med. 9 ni madam. Ay, ito, choco brown. Ang ganda ng choco brown. Tapos, i-partner nyo siya sa gray na pants. Ang ganda nito. Ikaw yun, madam, 4 Max. Ikaw, madam. Small to me. Small, long show. Okay, code ng 7, madam. Pang small, code ng 7. Ganito yung pad niya, madam, oh. Nakatahi. Okay, 7 is small. Ganda nito. Code ng 7, 168 pesos. Pwede rin to pang benta, madam. Kasi isasabit mo na lang siya. May hanger na, diba? Code ng 7. Madam Jai. Yes, ito, Madam Jai, 168. 168. I-hanger mo na lang. Okay, kasama na yung pouch and ayan, hanger. Next tayo, madam. Okay. Madam, ikaw yon. Medium. Pang medium, code ng 8. Code 8. Size medium, madam. Code ng 8. Pang thirst trap. Code ng 8, madam. Okay, next. Next. Uy, strappy, madam, oh. Strappy. Small to medium, madam. Code ng 9. Ganda rin nito. Small to medium, code ng 9. 168 pesos. Yours ito, madam. C9. Yours is C9.